Leaders with the Muscogee Nation and Coweta Police hope they are setting an example for law enforcement agencies across Green Country as far as teamwork goes.
Lighthorse Police and Coweta officers are cross-deputized, so both agencies can make arrests regardless of a suspect's tribal status. News on 6's Cal Day is live with more on how the partnership works. Cal?
Lloyd, Craig, both agencies agree that finding common ground and getting both agencies on the same page has been good for everyone because they share the same goal, and that is to keep folks safe. The Supreme Court's ruling determined most of eastern Oklahoma is on tribal land and that the state's courts did not have jurisdiction in cases involving Native Americans. Coweta Police Chief Mike Bell says he was keeping an eye on the case before the ruling even came down, knowing things could change for law enforcement.
What we did at that time is we started to call the tribe and started to work out some relationship issues that we were having as far as how we were going to arrest tribal members.
Bell says the department worked with the Muscogee Nation to figure out how tickets and courts would evolve. Coweta officers were then cross-deputized with Lighthorse Police within 7 months of the ruling.
We want to be the example of how state law enforcement working with the tribes. I mean, it's all about public safety.
Muscogee Nation Principal Chief David Hill says he hopes to develop a similar relationship with all law enforcement agencies.
Nothing can be fixed overnight, but let's sit down at the table. If there's unclarity on some situations, it can be figured out.
Bell says he knows other agencies have had trouble working with the tribes. He says the positive relationship makes sense for everyone because the main goal is keeping folks safe.
At the end of the day, the most important thing is that we protect our citizens. It doesn't matter who they are or where they come from. We just want to make sure that every victim is protected.
The Coweta Police Chief says that Lighthorse officers are currently in the process of being cross-deputized for that city. Craig?
All right, Cal Day reporting live. Thanks, Cal. The Muscogee Nation says it does have a similar relationship with Muscogee Police.